Plant FAQs. Begonia Nonstop Deep Rose. Begonia Nonstop Deep Rose. FAQs with Ferbvu. Hi everyone, Ferbvu here. Today, we're diving into the delightful Begonia Nonstop Deep Rose. This vibrant bloomer is a favorite among gardeners for its continuous flowering and low-maintenance nature. Whether you're a seasoned plant enthusiast or a curious beginner, this FAQ will equip you with everything you need to know about bringing the Begonia Nonstop Deep Rose into your life. See more 2,104 species in genus Begonia at monsteraholic.com. The Begonia Nonstop Deep Rose is a tuberous begonia, a specific type known for its underground fleshy structures called tubers. These tubers store nutrients and energy, allowing the plant to survive dormancy and produce stunning blooms throughout the season. The deep rose variety lives up to its name with a profusion of fully double, deep rose-colored flowers that can reach up to 4 inches, 10 centimeters, in diameter. The lush, green foliage provides a beautiful backdrop for the nonstop floral display. How does Begonia Nonstop Deep Rose compare to other begonias? Traditional tuberous begonias. Compared to traditional tuberous begonias, the Nonstop Deep Rose boasts superior branching and a more compact growth habit. This makes it ideal for container planting and smaller gardens. Additionally, the Nonstop series is known for its exceptional flowering consistency, ensuring a continuous show of blooms throughout the summer and into fall. Wax begonias. While both share similar shade tolerance and vibrant flowers, wax begonias are typically smaller and bushier than the Nonstop Deep Rose. Wax begonias also tend to have single blooms, whereas the Deep Rose variety features stunning double flowers. Bedding begonias. Unlike bedding begonias, which are typically grown from seeds and discarded after a single season, the Begonia Nonstop Deep Rose is a perennial. With proper care, its tubers can be stored over winter and replanted the following spring, offering years of enjoyment. Planting and care for Begonia Nonstop Deep Rose. Planting. Timing. The ideal planting time for Begonia Nonstop Deep Rose depends on your climate. In regions with mild winters, you can plant outdoors as early as late spring. For colder climates, wait until all danger of frost has passed. Location. Select a spot with part shade to full shade. While they tolerate some sun exposure, particularly in cooler mornings, intense afternoon sun can scorch the leaves and flowers. Soil. While draining, fertile soil is crucial. Amending your planting area with organic matter like compost can improve drainage and provide essential nutrients. Planting depth. Plant the tubers with the eyes, dimples where new growth emerges, facing upwards, about 1 to 2 inches, 2.5 to 5 centimeters, deep. Space multiple plants 12 to 16 inches, 30 to 41 centimeters, apart. Care. Watering. Water regularly, allowing the top inch of soil to dry slightly between waterings. Avoid overwatering, which can lead to root rot. Fertilizing. Feed your Begonia Nonstop Deep Rose with a balanced fertilizer every 2 to 4 weeks during the growing season. A diluted liquid fertilizer applied directly to the soil is ideal. Deadheading. While not strictly necessary, deadheading spent blooms can encourage continued flowering. Simply pinch off the wilted flower head at the base of the stem. How tall does Begonia Nonstop Deep Rose grow? The Begonia Nonstop Deep Rose typically reaches a height of 8 to 12 inches, 20 to 30 centimeters, making it a compact and versatile addition to your garden. Is Begonia Nonstop Deep Rose suitable for containers? Absolutely. Its compact size and vibrant blooms make it a perfect choice for adding color and texture to balconies, patios, and windowsills. Does Begonia Nonstop Deep Rose attract pollinators? The vibrant double flowers of the Begonia Nonstop Deep Rose are quite attractive to pollinators like bees and butterflies, adding a touch of life and activity to your garden. How do I overwinter Begonia Nonstop Deep Rose tubers? After the first frost, carefully dig up the tubers. Remove any dead foliage and allow them to dry in a cool, well-ventilated location for several days. Once dry, store the tubers in a container filled with slightly moistened peat moss or vermiculite. Keep them in a cool, dark location between 40 to 50 degrees Fahrenheit, 4 to 10 degrees Celsius, until spring arrives. With its easygoing nature and dazzling display of blooms, the Begonia Nonstop Deep Rose is a true gem for any garden. So why not add a touch of deep rose magic to your space and enjoy the non-stop floral show it has to offer?